Welcome to the ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning Path. In this video, you'll learn how to use Polycuts. Polycuts are available both in the Add Slab feature and in the Modify tool. This time, let's click on the Modify tool. In the Common tab in Polycuts section, click on Cut Part by using Polygon. Now select the slab and then the outline. The opening will be immediately created. You have now learned how to add polycuts to concrete elements. The remaining section of the video is a tool compatibility matrix. Feel free to pause the video to verify which tools can be used in a particular scenario.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.